Yeah, hi everyone. I welcome all participants for the Typo Day 2022 conference. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We all hope that you have an exciting and enriching time in participating during this conference. I now invite Professor Ravi Poovaiah, Chair of the conference, to address the audience. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thanks, Shweta. Very good afternoon to all of you. Professor Aniruddha Joshi, Head of our department, IDC School of Design at IIT Bombay. Professor Sri Kumar, Advisor to Typo Day and a colleague at IDC. Dr. Ajanta Sen, Conference Co-Chair and Director, Jello Labs. Professor Dr. Ratna Ramanathan, Head of Central St. Martin's and Pro-Vice Chancellor of the University of the Arts, UK, our keynote speaker for this session. Faculty colleagues, speakers, chairs, panelists, workshop facilitators, school innovation ambassadors, other participants, students and volunteers, a very, very warm welcome to Typo Day 2022, being organized by us online at IDC School of Design, IIT Bombay, with support from India Design Association, InDeAs, and Aksharaya. As you know, Typo Day is being held for the 15th time since its inception in 2008, and it's the second time the conference is held online. We would have really loved to have you physically present with us in our green, beautiful campus surrounded by lakes and hills, right in the middle of the big city, Mumbai. We do look forward to another Typo Day for you to visit our campus. We now welcome you to our online event, and we do sincerely hope that you have a good experience participating in Typo Day 2022. Towards this, we are using Zoom, main hall, and breakout rooms for the workshops to present, listen, ask questions, chat, etc. The theme for this year's Typo Day is Children and Typography, a very dear subject. For this event, we have keynote and vision speakers to address the variegated aspects of typography plays out its relationship with design and children. Additionally, the event includes a selection of posters that have been chosen from an international competition with participation from upwards of 50 countries. This year, we had 650 entries and 52 of them have been chosen. As for selecting the logo for this Typo Day, again through a competition, the winning logo was selected out of 350 entries. We first have the R.K. Joshi Memorial Keynote Address by Professor Ratna Ramanathan, followed by 7 workshops in the breakout rooms. The rest of the conference will be held in this main hall. Once again, on behalf of Typo Day team, I welcome you very warmly. Thank you for participating, and with the hope and prayers for a smooth sailing of the conference. Thanks and best regards. Over to you, Shweta.
Yes, thank you, Professor Poovaiah, for your words. I now invite Professor Aniruddha Joshi, Head of IDC School of Design, to address the audience. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Can you hear me? So let me also add my welcome on behalf of IDC School of Design in IIT Bombay. Just because you are the host, I'll take the pleasure to, some of you guys might not have been to IIT Bombay, although I see many familiar names among the participants today. But just to kind of quickly tell you a little bit about IDC. So we are a design school located in a technology or predominantly technology university. We started, IDC School of Design was started in 1969, and we completed our Golden Jubilee celebration in the year 2019. And then in the last 52 years or so, we have actually come quite a long way. We started with a design program for masters only, and particularly only in product design. In 1984, we added another master's in visual communication. And then 2005 is when we started a PhD program. 2006 is when we started our programs in interaction design and animation. And 2010, we started our master's program in mobility and vehicle design. And 2016 is when we started our undergraduate program in design. So currently we have about 375 students and 26 faculty members full-time and another 20 adjunct faculty members. So next time, if you visit us, and those of you who have not visited us particularly, It is a very lovely place to come. So we would welcome you. I really look forward to the talk, the keynote speech that has been scheduled just now, and also to the rest of the conference. So welcome to IDC, and I must thank all the organizers at the upfront to put in all the effort it takes to organize a conference.